Entrepreneurship isn't a dream, it's a battlefield. And here's the brutal truth. Most don't survive. You've probably imagined walking away from your 9 to 5, having total freedom, unlimited earning potential, and building something that's truly yours. You crave the thrill of calling the shots, waking up when you want, and turning your vision into reality. But before you get lost in that dream, wake up. Because while your ambition is real, so is the danger. 45% of startups collapse within the first 5 years. When that happens, you don't just lose a business. It could be your savings, your relationships, your mental health, and even your confidence in yourself. Desire alone won't pay the bills, but preparation will. If you jump into entrepreneurship without a clear plan, you're gambling with your future. If you make the leap blindly, your dream can turn into a financial nightmare faster than you think. Because today, I'm revealing the 10 must-do things before you become an entrepreneur. The same steps smart founders use to dodge disaster and stack the odds in their favor and win big. And later, I'll expose the #1 silent killer that wipes out new entrepreneurs before they even make their first dollar. And exactly how you can avoid becoming its next victim. But first, let's dive into the 10 critical steps that will help you protect your dream and make sure it becomes your reality. Segment 1. Know your why. Before you draft a business plan, pick a logo, or even choose a name, you need to know your why. Why do you want to become an entrepreneur? Is it freedom, financial independence, or do you simply want to escape a bad boss? Without a powerful why, motivation fades fast. Entrepreneurship is a roller coaster. Your why will keep you grounded when times get tough. So once you know why you want this, what comes next? Segment 2. Master personal finances. First, if you can't manage $1,000, you can't manage $100,000. Running a business is about managing cash flow, expenses, and uncertainty. That's why personal financial discipline is your first real test. Eliminate bad debt. Build an emergency fund, at least 6 months' expenses. Track and control your spending. According to SCORE, 82% of failed businesses cite cash flow issues as a key reason for closing down. Your business can't thrive if your personal finances are a mess. But once your money house is in order, how do you choose what business to even start? Segment 3. Validate before you build. One of the most dangerous words in entrepreneurship is assume. You assume people will buy. You assume the market wants it. You assume success will come. Don't guess. Validate. Test your idea on a small scale. Ask real potential customers if they would pay. Get honest feedback. Harvard Business School found that 75% of startups fail due to premature scaling, building too fast without validation. So, once your idea is validated, should you rush to go full-time? Segment 4. Start as a side hustle. First, jumping in full-time without proof of concept is like jumping out of a plane without a parachute. Instead, start your venture as a side hustle. This gives you room to learn and make mistakes safely, steady income to avoid desperate decisions, the ability to test markets and offers gradually. But as you test, you'll quickly face something every entrepreneur does: confusion and overwhelm. How do you conquer that? Segment 5. Develop entrepreneurial skills. Early, entrepreneurship demands a unique skill set: sales, marketing, negotiation, leadership, problem solving. And guess what? Most are learnable before you launch. Take courses, read books, join masterminds. Famous investor Warren Buffett spends 80% of his day reading and learning because knowledge compounds. Now, with skills and validation, it's time to get serious. But first, who's in your corner? Segment 6. Build a network before you need it. Success in business is rarely solo. You need connections, mentors, peers, people who can offer advice, feedback, and referrals. Join industry groups. Attend local or online networking events. Leverage LinkedIn and social media. In fact, LinkedIn research shows that 85% of jobs and opportunities come through networking, not job boards or cold outreach. But networking won't help if you can't deliver. How do you ensure your offer hits the mark? Segment 7. Craft a clear offer and value proposition. Entrepreneurs don't only sell products, they solve problems. Be crystal clear. Who do you help? What problem do you solve? Why should people choose you? Confused customers never buy. Your message should pass the grandma test. If your grandma doesn't understand what you do in 10 seconds, simplify it. What about protecting yourself legally and financially? Segment 8. Get the legal and financial foundation right. Register your business properly. Get licenses and permits. Open a separate business bank account. Get basic contracts and liability protection in place. Skipping this step can lead to devastating consequences later. A lawsuit or tax issue can kill your dream before it even starts. With your foundation set, it's time to talk strategy, because no plan means no progress. Segment 9. Create a simple business plan, not a 50-page document. A simple 1 to 2-page roadmap answering: what problem do you solve? Who are your customers? How will you reach them? How will you make money? Businesses without plans drift. A recent study found that entrepreneurs with written plans are 16% more likely to achieve viability. But plans don't mean much without a mindset. And this next step is the most overlooked key to entrepreneurial success. Segment 10. Build mental and emotional resilience. This is the #1 mistake new entrepreneurs make. Thinking success comes easily or quickly. Entrepreneurship will test you. Rejections, slow months, self-doubt, burnout, overthinking, production issues, budgeting, mindset, skill set. Without mental toughness, most people quit too early. You need daily habits that reinforce resilience. 10 powerful habits to build mental toughness. 1. Own your morning. Start each day with purpose and focus. 2. Lean on accountability. Stay driven with partners who push you. 3. Rest and reflect regularly. Recharge and learn from daily experiences. 4th. Use daily affirmations. Speak confidence and resilience into your mind. 5. Choose discomfort daily. Do hard things to strengthen your will. 6. Set clear, measurable goals. Stay sharp and intentional with progress. 7. Still turn failures into lessons. Learn, adapt, and keep moving forward. 8. Master stress control. Stay calm with breathing and mindfulness. 9. Celebrate small victories. Fuel your journey with positive reinforcement. 10. Visualize winning daily. Picture success until it feels real. Remember, business success is 80% mindset and only 20% tactics. Now that you know that success as an entrepreneur starts long before you quit your job or launch a product. It begins with preparation, planning, and mindset. You want to know the secret strategies smart entrepreneurs use to scale fast without burning out or spending a fortune on ads. If you don't know this vital information, you will waste years hustling aimlessly, only to realize you built a business that owns you instead of the other way around. The secret to build scalable systems so your business works even when you don't in my next video. See you in our next video.